Gas TV, welcome back, man. Once again, we live? It's live?
We back.
Everything live?
We back.
Yes. We have another installment of High Times for y'all.
Something real special.
Haven't been around in a while. We got an oldie but goodie and a brand new candy. So, the oldie but goodie is none other than
The Ball family. I'm excited.
I'm also excited.
I'm excited.
Fucking good things have come out of bags like this.
I think this is one of my favorite grow houses. This Ball family. Black owned.
Black owned, doing their thing.
I still think Laura Charles is one of my tops of all time.
I like, how can I say it? I like the original Daniel LaRusso before we smoked it too much.
Even Bruce Leroy still has a special place
Bruce
in my
Leroy
heart.
is special.
You know?
But that Bruce Leroy, I was completely, that shit did something to the mind when I smoked that LaRusso when it first dropped.
But, oh no, with that shit, go ahead, hold that shit up.
This right here.
Look at that.
This is the brand new candy that everybody likes to call candies. You know, this is CANNATIQUE poppin' Tropical Punch CANNATIQUE poppin' candy.
Now, I will say that that is the best smelling flower I've smelled in a very long time. Maybe ever. Close, if not ever. It's in the top 3. The best smelling buds I've ever smelled. The shit smells like fucking candy. It's beautiful. So I'm excited.
Which one?
I don't know. You might have to flip a coin for this one.
Cause this shit smells.
That shit
like
smells
candy,
phenomenal.
bro. Like,
But then I'm like, do I want to smoke the Ball family and then cleanse the palate with the candy? You know what I mean? I have so much high expectations for this. Maybe we should just save it.
Smoke this. Nah,
We'll get out the way?
Smoke this first, yeah.
All right.
I want to see if this candy is that. I want to see if the smell, like you said,
Yeah.
matches the fucking.
Listen, if it tastes 50% of what it smells like, God bless it.
Fire in the hole.
Drum roll in my head. It's like a moment of silence. Now, it doesn't. Let's see though. I don't know.
Make sure the whole blunt is lit first before I go. Well, a very sweet tasting weed, kind of mellow, kind of mild.
You don't seem
I wanna
happy.
say.
I can see your face. You don't really look too impressed.
I thought it was gonna be a punch. You
Mm.
know, the inhale and exhale that I be looking for. You know, here's one of my main tests. I'll rip the blunt hard, no homo. I'll rip the blunt crazy, boom. And once the smoke is in there, if I can still breathe all the way in deep, and then blow it out and still knock off, it's not strong.
Well, sometimes strong. Maybe not everybody likes strong all the time. So, you know.
That we know.
So I need you to still come from that angle as well.
That we know. This is a this is a good weed. It's not in the nines.
Oh, so it's not what I was hoping for. All right. So there's no punch at all then, from what you sounded like. There's no punch.
It's like smoothie. It's a tropical punch.
Some for the
smoothie.
ladies. Some for the ladies.
Oh, they'll love it.
Some for the ladies.
They'll love it.
It's interesting.
Yes. 41 cherries. It's a great fucking Don Murph pick.
It's delicious, actually. It's almost like a dessert blunt.
Hmm. Or, you know what? That's like a dinner blunt. You know how niggas be sitting down
Yeah,
at the table
this is
eating
what this
and
is.
shit?
This is.
You can eat
You can go
that
this
shit.
with a glass or something.
It ain't gonna choke you out. You know, it's not like you're gonna be the one passing. It's a good social weed. You smoke that with a lot of people, and people be like, "Oh, this tastes cool. What's this?"
You're right. It's lacking punch, but it does have a hit. It doesn't have a punch, but it has a hit. The flavor's there though.
It's definitely a tropical, like, of course, none of this shit ain't tasting like Hawaiian punch, but the essence, it got a great essence to it. The tropical essence you taste is.
If you like weed that tastes good.
You know what? I would like this weed,
On vacation?
not necessarily on vacation, but driving. Like if I drive to AC, 2 hours of smoking, like I could smoke this
Yeah,
whole eight
and be good. Yeah, I was gonna say that's, but even me, I would like that on vacation because I would smoke, got a nice taste, and I would still be functional.
Yep.
I won't be dragging. And shorty is smoking and like it.
That's a fact. It's getting a little better, but it still ain't gonna do nothing more than it's doing. But this is, I'm putting it at like a solid 8. Straight 8.
Straight 8. I give it a I'll wait till it come back around one more time. I think I'm gonna give it a little bit higher than that, because of the flavor. Like I said, if you like, I used to be like that. I used to prefer the flavor over anything. Not everything, but I was heavy on flavor. So if you one of them, you're gonna like this.
Flavor's
there.
Flavor's 60% of it.
Yeah.
You know, we can't lie, because even some trash that we smoke, if the flavor's not there, if it got some flavor, we're gonna smoke it. We're gonna get through the blunt.
Nah, so the flavor's definitely packing a lot of flavor. And it has a hit. Doesn't have a punch, but it has a hit. So I don't think you'll be disappointed if you're looking for something that tastes good.
CANNATIQUE tropical punch.
Definitely, if you got a girl that smoke,
Put that shit in the raw. Oh man, y'all gonna have a good time. Oh, we'll have a good old time.
yeah, this tastes. It's almost mouth-watering. Shit don't taste bad at all.
I'm just now. Here's what I know. When a lot of these flavors drop like this, it's like I said, it's about 10 of them. Like brand new came out yesterday. Niggas wiped them out. So it's like I see 8 different CANNATIQUEs. All of them, it's like 6 of them in these kind of bags, all different kind. Strawberry, banana, cherry limeade, all kind of wild flavors. There was so many there, I didn't want to waste time and just smell everything. So the first one I picked up was this. Smelled it. It smelled so crazy. I said, you know what? Put this shit to the side. And I said, the nigga was like, yo, CANNATIQUE's all in. I said, you know what? I'm going to save some other ones to tomorrow. I'm going to just get this one, do a review on it. Blah, blah, blah. Went back today. Them shits was wiped out, man. So all that to say, 3 out of them 8 flavors is fire, and we just gotta find it. We gotta find the one that got all the components.
That shit hitting now. I wonder how they came up with that one.
Like what mixes they put in it, right?
How the fuck did they get that flavor?
Is that seed work or is that like
Well,
nutrient?
you got me thinking that all these flavors, maybe they pheno hunting on a particular strain, and that's all the different phenos that they backing out. But I don't know. I'm freestyling. I really don't know.
Well, I'll take it to the gas house, the burner shit that we was watching the other day. The gas house nigga said he's hit Pluto with everything. 40 to 50 different. Now he's probably went and sought out the best brands, 50 of the best brands to whip the Pluto with. So, alluding to what you said, it's a bunch of that going on. That's what's distinguishing the mice from the men.
I don't know. I'm gonna give it an 8-2. I give it an 8-2.
I could definitely bump it up now.
So
This
it's
shit
just
is
smoking
hitting.
now. Once you got to the nitty gritty, that shit started smoking.
I know I like to roll these backwards like this so that it punch right about now. A2. Yeah, that's good. That's good. It'll get you where you want to go.
I know. I don't think but not. It'll be functional though still.
Because when I first hit it, you know how sometimes the first hit of a blunt and you get to a certain level of high, you be like, oh shit. Shit start getting slightly fuzzy and all that. It took to the end of the blunt. It took to that last time I hit it for me to feel like that.
Be like, oh yeah, it's good. But that's what I'm saying. I think it's good. I like that. This is a daytime weed.
Might fuck around and be some sativa. Sativa dominant, probably.
That's what it's hitting. That's what it's feeling like. Popping candy, CANNATIQUE. Go ahead and light that motherfucking Bull family up, bruh.
They done did it again. That's my side. I gotta find my side.
Yeah, unless you want this bag here. Bull family, don't fail me now. You motherfuckers been good to me, man. Don't fuck up a good thing, man. NINO Brown. That shit better have niggas in like Pookie.
Hey, man. I taste the difference already.
Uh-oh. I see sweat beating up on his nose.
This is what gas tastes like. This is what gas tastes like.
Bull family did it again. Again and again. I hope so. You said it's good, right? It's good?
This shit is great. Now, here's what I'm stuck trying to figure out. I'm trying to figure out what exactly am I tasting. I'm tasting strong ass weed. That's what I'm tasting right now. And I'm trying to see what I could distinguish.
I smell that shit. That shit smell like an incense.
I taste sweet, creamy, a little vanilla with an inhale and an exhale and punch.
God damn.
That's to the sweet, creamy gas. Pause.
That's a pretty good description. Analysis.
I try, man, you know. Shit, we about 100 videos in, you know. We are the experts, if you guys didn't know. Like, I know y'all didn't think we just started smoking when we made videos. How long did it take us to be like, we should start filming this shit? Like,
It was over. I thought it was over by the time we started. I was like, damn, it ain't even gonna be nothing left. Shit. Oh wait, there's more. Yeah, this is special right here.
That's the pain niggas be looking for, man. And niggas, how y'all don't know about this, man? Ball family. Now, I'm gonna say this. I'll say this because this is just how my memory works. Every Ball family ain't punching like this. There's some Ball families that's smooth, but all of them have that taste, that California, that yeah.
That might be the new one.
I remember when this came around before, when they must drop little batches off here and there. They had the Clubber Lang and the Nino Brown, and the Clubber Lang was smoking kind of, but this shit even before was smoking like this. Nino Brown is in Ball top 3. Top 3 best flavors.
Yo, I'm trying to like that. That taste is real good. That's a good one right there. Don't
This is a couch
it
lock.
It tastes like I don't know, boy. That shit tastes like a. That shit tastes like the fucking the purple and green now later with a cream soda. That shit weird. That shit tastes good.
I taste some green in it. I do taste that green shit you referring to. The earthiness. Yo, I think I almost think I might have pinpointed what's in this. Cause I be listening to shit, man, and I just be connecting dots. I think this got some gelato in it for the sweet and the punch. Now the cream is coming from. If it was,
But the cream ain't a cream. The cream is like a. I can't even explain it. It's like the smoke is like. I can't explain that shit. The smoke is like engulfing your taste buds and like mellowing them shits out to give it like a cream effect or some shit. I don't know. This shit is lit.
this is 9 weed. I'll probably, I might start this at the 9.
That's a good one. I don't know what to say.
I'd say I need a paper napkin right now. Wipe the sweat off my brow. See, if CANNATIQUE would have did that to me, I'd have had to put that at a 9.
Now this shit starting to fire up. This shit starting to really smoke now. Now it's just straight gas. All the sweet shit went out the window. Now this shit is, you kill people, Nino. This shit is fucking my lung up right now.
Nino Brown out here with the dope. in that Wesley pack, man. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Hey man, we try to bring these shits to you as often as we can.
That's the one.
We don't always get the one, but I told y'all I was in for a treat tonight, man. Thanksgiving special, man. Find your cousins in California or whatever. Tell them to go on Weed Maps and find the Ball Family Farms. Tell them to send it to you. Send them $100. Send them 500 cash so you can get you an ounce of Ball Family. Send your cousin 100 and still get your shit. Spread the love, man.
Nah, this is it. Yo, you wanna know some funny shit though? Y'all check. Oh no. Easter. It was Easter. I was gonna say. I feel like I went to see New Jack City when I was young on Thanksgiving, but it was Easter. When I was young, and New Jack City came out. I'll never forget. We was dressed up, and we went to the movies that night. See New Jack City. We was dressed up like looking like we was
part of the movie.
It was part of the movie, not even knowing niggas was gonna be doing that in the movie.
That's cool shit. Had to eat a piece of ice to finish digesting this blunt.
Shit calling me, man. This shit calling me. It's calling me.
Listen, I'm gonna tell y'all what to do so that y'all don't struggle through strong ass weed like this. And don't roll a gas TV size blunt. And you'll enjoy it a little more.
Can't lie.
Cause this right here is the gas. This the shit that people put one little bud in a raw and put mad grabber in. It didn't be high as a bitch.
Hot fucking head rush high.
That shit is pain.
Nah, that's it. You can't hit this shit hard. We ain't even putting that one on.
That's a 9.2 right there.
9.2?
9.2.
Cause this shit taking your breath away. You gotta get this shit. You gotta bump that up, bro.
I agree. Cause I think
if you can't hit the blunt hard, well, like I'm purposely not hitting the blunt hard. I'm gonna be like this nigga. So when you got weed that you can't hit it hard, and this shit tastes good, come on, man.
You right.
You're sweating your ass off.
You're right, motherfucker. That shit blowing better than all the Zooty that I've been smoking, man. All that shit.
The ash is white. Look how you just look. You ain't this shit at 9.5 or better.
9.6. I was about to say
9.5 or better. It gotta
that's
be
9.6, man.
now you talking.
That shit might be the top dog right now, man. Y'all,
That's what I'm
listen.
telling you. Fucking out.
Even them weird them backpacks I've been smoking, all them different color die cut backpacks. I haven't been feeling those. And y'all know how I feel about the backpack.
That's the one.
I'm glad I had a little time to fucking get some oxygen in my lungs before I hit this again. it just makes it even more. It made the hit even better. That strong gas.
That's the one.
But y'all, man, always remember to like, comment, subscribe. Fucking Gas TV. Another banger for you guys. Couch lock smoke. This is the shit we do.
9682.
82.
Gas TV gang, we out.